Once upon a time, in the colorful meadow of Rainbow Valley, there lived a little fairy named Ellie. Ellie had wings the color of sunsets and big, curious eyes that sparkled like the stars at night. She loved to play tricks on her fellow fairies and sometimes even played pranks on her parents, who were the king and queen of the meadow. Ellie's best friend was a bright, bubbly butterfly named Benny. Benny and Ellie would flit around the valley, painting flowers with their magical brushes and spreading glitter everywhere they went. However, Benny was often a bit different. He always made sure he listened to his parents and respected what they had to say. One sunny morning, Ellie had an idea for a new game. "Let's pick some petals from Mother Lily's magical flower bed and spread them around. It will be fun to make new patterns on the ground," Ellie chirped excitedly. Benny was hesitant. "But Ellie, Mother Lily said we should only take petals that fall naturally." "It's the rule," Benny reminded her. "Oh, come on. It'll be fun, Benny," Ellie insisted, her wings fluttering impatiently. Reluctantly, Benny followed Ellie to the magical flower bed. As soon as they started plucking the beautiful petals, they heard a gentle sigh from the wind. All of a sudden, Mother Lily appeared before them, looking disappointed. "Ellie, Benny," she said softly, "these petals are not just for play. They carry magical energy essential for the meadow's beauty. Without them, the flowers cannot bloom properly." Ellie felt a pang of guilt. She hadn't intended to cause harm. "I'm sorry, Mother Lily," Ellie said, her wings drooping. "I didn't realize how important they were. I just thought it would be fun." Mother Lily nodded understandingly. Understanding and respecting the importance of things is a sign of maturity. It's great to have fun, but also important to respect what others deem valuable, she advised. Ellie understood now why Benny always respected the rules. She realized her parents and peers were not trying to spoil her fun, but were guiding her to be a thoughtful fairy. That afternoon, Ellie and Benny worked together to gather petals that had fallen naturally. As they gently placed them back, the flowers began to shimmer again, coloring the meadow with their vibrant hues. When they finished, Ellie spoke. "From now on, I will listen more closely to what my parents and friends say. Respecting their wisdom will help me be a better fairy." Benny flapped his wings with delight. "I knew you'd understand, Ellie. Now, let's go paint some flower borders with the fairy dust from our wings." And so, with a newfound respect and understanding, Ellie and Benny continued their adventures in Rainbow Valley. Ellie learned that respecting others made her a cherished part of the fairy community, bringing happiness to herself and those around her.